Good morning, viewers. Today is 1st of March 2026 and time is 7:12:33 on the IST Indian Standard Time. Today we are going to analyze the S&P 500 index US markets. So this is the daily chart. So we have done a forecast on S&P 500 early at the start of the year. So if you have missed and not watched the video, please visit the forecast video and note down the important price cycle levels and time cycle dates given for the whole year 2026 for the S&P 500. So let us revisit the forecast again today on 1st of March. So this was the price cycle hit on 29th of October. You can see the price cycle hitting here. Okay. Then this was the angle support where we tried to sustain on the angle. We dropped below and came to this angle point. So this was the price and time squaring point. We recovered this with a gap up. Again hit the same angle. Again came and took support here. Another gap up here, could not sustain, dropped below the angle and again regained it with a gap up. Again came here to the same angle, took support here, could not go above the price cycle resistance, took support here, again gap up, again drop below, consolidation here below the angle, conquered the angle with a gap up here, again could not sustain the price cycle point, stayed above the angle. So this was positive, made a new all-time high again on this time cycle point. We gapped down below the price cycle level, took exact support on the angle here and made a new all-time high here, but we are unable to cross this high till date. Okay, so this price cycle level is going to be very important for S&P. You can note down the level, and the critical dates for this month are going to be 3rd of March and 27th of March. Okay, the price cycle level, this is going to be important and this will be the trend decider for S&P for the coming month. Okay, so this is on the Gann square applied on the S&P 500 daily chart. So two important dates are 3rd of March and 27th of March. And the important price level, that is the trend decider level, is 6911. Okay. So let us do something else on the S&P to get more clarity here. Okay. So let us come to the trading view chart. This was the low on 7th of April. So this is the Gann angle, 2 by 1 angle. You can see this is the true Gann angle, mathematical angle, which you can draw with the right knowledge. Okay. You don't need a software or any other tool for drawing Gann angles. There are ready-made softwares available plotting the Gann angles, and there are various indicators plotting the Gann angles available on various platforms. But whenever you apply those, you don't know the developer's logic behind it, so trading it is going to be difficult because you don't have the conviction, okay, how the angle was designed, okay. So once you get the right knowledge which we provide in our courses, then you will be able to draw true Gann angles, and then you can apply them and trade them very confidently. So this was the point when you lost the momentum, okay, on 10th of October 2025. Now this was price cycle level again here important. So we took support here. Again, we took that support on 20th of November here, got resisted at the Gann angle here, and these are the two price cycle points, okay, where the action is currently developing, okay. So once we cross this psychological figure of 7,000, you can see some improvement or momentum above this. So this level is going to be very important for supports. Okay. Remember the dates earlier given in for March, 3rd of March and 27th of March. So if we drop below this, then we have this double bottom level given here, and below this if we move, then this is going to be very very important for the trend definition, okay. So that's all from me at Gann Supremacy, and this was the update on S&P 500 forecast for the year 2026. Thank you for watching it till here. Have a great trading day ahead. Thank you.